Welcome to Lifestyle Trucker. Today I'm gonna be installing this battery on my motorcycle, on this small one that I have. So yeah, this bike hasn't been running for, I don't know, almost a year now. I was just using this bike, like to go to places and stuff. I like this Honda, so that's why I bought this thing. Let's see how many miles it have. Easy access. This bike is just so easy. You can, for me, it's so easy to ride this bike, dude. Okay, so we got only 600 miles in this one. And this one is 2023. I bought it in 2024. Low miles, let's see. So this is your shut-off switch. You click that, make sure it's neutral. You don't have to put clutch, you just can push start. Come on, baby. Honda, man. Yeah, Hondas, they usually start right away. But it's been a little bit cold, and I haven't started this bike in a while. So yeah, that thing does start. I know that for sure. Alrighty, let's work on this bike. I'll open this battery. I'm gonna try to install it right now in this bike and see if it's gonna start. Alright, so to install this, I just put the screws back, the little bolts right here, and I went to Napa. They told me this battery would cost about like 70 bucks. I went to O'Reilly. I have a business account. They told me 60 something, and thanks to my brother Pete, he said you can just get this thing from Amazon for like $25. I couldn't believe it's a $25 you can get this. I think it's 25 bucks actually. So yeah, let's try to install it. That's my positive, that's my negative on this side. I know it's a little bit dark to see anything, but let's just jam this thing right here and see if we can actually fit like that. Man, this seat comes off. I'm not even sure if this is the same size, because online is one thing. Let's see, is this the same size? Oh, they do look the same size, okay. Just to make sure, my positive right here. I want to make sure I'm not putting it in the wrong place. Yeah, it's just the way this box design is really weird. You have to jam it into it. Actually, I might use my screwdriver. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Okay. Alright, I did that. I don't know. This is how it sits. You can put this bracket. I saw this bracket right here, and I believe this big bolt that goes on it, and it goes something like this. You go from the side, you push it in, and this is guys Benelli. I'm working a small Benelli motorcycle. I don't know if I should even put this cover on because I'm not sure if this battery's gonna work. I'm kind of going ahead, just I know this battery's gonna work even though I don't. I don't know. Let's not put this bolt yet, and let's just tie this right here. We're gonna try to tie this terminals. I'm gonna unhook one. So there is a little metal bracketing inside. Once you lose it, it's just gonna fall inside the bike. So you don't want to lose that. And that's why I'm holding my finger right there. I'm gonna try to put this thing on. There's a little loop. Get this back, and there is this metal little thing inside. Maybe I'll show you guys in a second how it looks from my old one. Let's see if it's gonna catch it. They put in this tight places that it's really hard to work on. So you have to lift that little metal thing on the bottom to be able. Oh man, it's trying to magnify to my screwdriver. No. So this is how it looks. This thing you have to put from the inside, but you have no access. Like this side, I have access. I'll show you guys on this side. Like this side, I would be probably able to do that. So let's say I'm gonna unscrew this bolt first. Right, is it gonna come off? Almost. Yep, it's gonna come off in a second. So let's say it just came off. Alright, so you put your terminal. Let me hold the screwdriver. So you put your terminal right here. You get your bolt. And then you gotta catch that little thing right there to make sure it fits. And watch this. Let's see if it's gonna catch. So it does not catch it. So what do you have to do? You kinda have to lift the metal thing straight. But it's so tough. That's what I'm saying. I don't know. Unless somebody knows a different way to do this. That's why I grabbed the screwdriver. And I'm trying to go underneath. But I have no lock for some reason. I have no lock at all. I don't know. Maybe I have to put two of this. It's just really tough to work on this stuff. Let's see my old one. My old one was the same size. It's pretty much the same. Maybe I put double. What if I put double then? And then one's definitely supposed to stay. Know what I'm saying? It should stay one. Okay. Let's do them double. Come on, it's just it. Okay, now I put a double. I'm putting this screw, this bolt right here. Then we're gonna try to tie this up. Maybe it will catch one at least. I'm gonna use a screwdriver also. Let's see, did I get any of those guys? I just need one. Yes, I did catch one. Wow. That was a smart move. I did get that one, so now I'm gonna work on this one. But if anything, that thing's just gonna just fall inside the bike, so it's really tough. Alright, let me guys work on this one for now. I'm gonna put this one away to the side. Gotta get these metal things. I'm gonna put double them. Just like this. Alright, I'm working on this left side. That's what I said, it's really tough to put these bolts in, so I had to put double those metal things inside this clamp. Now I'm gonna try to put the screw or this bolt right on it, just moving slightly back, and try to get this on just like this. Let's see if it's gonna catch. That's all you have to do, just catch the thread. Let's see. I think I got it. I think I did get it. Alright, so I haven't tied anything here yet, like the brackets and stuff. Now I'm gonna go to the bike and see if we get any lights in this. Let's see. Moment of truth. Alright, we did get some light. We are in neutral, right? My light's kind of bent in right here. Alright, let's see what else do we have. Okay, I'm gonna put in a start mode. And let's see, man. I haven't started this bike, guys. Easy, almost a year, man. Let's see what happens. No way. Dude, it runs. Wow. That was a little cold start, man. This is good. This bike actually runs. No way. I mean, guys, look how many miles I put on this. I put 2,600 miles in this bad boy. It's a small bike, man, but it's loud. I don't know, it's still cold for sure. I'm not gonna touch it, I'm just gonna work on this right here. Try to tighten everything up. And then I'll take it outside for the spin so you can guys look how it, how it rides. I need this bolt. Yeah, I gotta put this one right here. So yeah, it's been almost a year, guys, since I rode this bike. Ah, great. That's what I'm saying. When you work on these bikes, you always lose these bolts. It's hard to get them after also. Man, come on. No way, it just fell right through somewhere. Alright, I'm taking the small bike outside. We'll see if it still runs, Dust has the engine light on. Actually rides. Let's see if it's gonna smoke. Wow, this thing is smoking, man. Runs. Man, it's windy there. Small bike is so loud, dude. Like, no joke, man. This is really loud bike. I mean, let's hear it. I don't know, guys. Hear this one. Man, this thing's so loud. Like, let's hear the Honda, guys. Let's hear this. Okay, this is a Honda, man. It's cold. It's still cold. Honda's still cold, man. That's why I like this thing, man. This is when I got my license. Actually, before I got my license, I got this motorcycle. And to pass inspection, I mean not inspection, to pass a test, driving test on this is so easy. You just make the 8 maneuver and then you make the circle thing, whatever. Easy cheesy, dude. This thing is only like what? Not even 5 feet? Probably around 5 feet maybe, that's it. Like that bike is probably like 6 feet tall, like length. Yeah, probably about 6. But that thing's so tiny, dude. That's why I like this thing, man. I'm gonna take for another spin real quick. Yeah, I don't know why my engine light's still on. Just take this thing anywhere, man. Like if I want to go through the farm, easy probably. Just go through the field. I don't want to get stuck, but still, you know, like that dirt might get me stuck. But other than that, dude, this thing is pulls. And this is like a summer tires.